the how to fix Microsoft Word not responding error in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, you might have encountered this error before, such as this one right here that says Microsoft Word is not responding. And usually, there are ways that you can resolve this. And the fastest way that you can do this is by simply clicking on Restart the Program option, like this one right here, or you can also choose to wait for the program to respond. However, if you click this option, wait for the program to respond, and it doesn't close on its own or respond back to normal, what you can do is, of course, close it by opening the Task Manager. So let's go ahead and open Task Manager. And let's look for Microsoft Word. Should be this one right here. Right click and click on Add Task. And that should close Microsoft Word. Now, let's go ahead and open Microsoft Word again. Now, you might also encounter this error like this one. And what you can do instead of force closing Microsoft Word in Task Manager is by opening it in safe mode. And you can do that simply by, if you're on Windows, clicking on Windows plus the R key, and that should open this run command at the bottom of your screen. Now type in this key right here, WinWord \safe. Now click on OK, and that should open Microsoft Word in safe mode right here. Other methods that you can also do, or other ways that this problem might be caused, is if that Microsoft Word has or interferes with your firewall or other antivirus software. This error may also be encountered when your storage, especially your RAM, your device storage gets full and Microsoft Word lags on its own and decides to close by itself. In any case, just try to close and restart Microsoft Word in order to solve the problem. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.